effects, featuring the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Is that the new weapon they were talking about? Oh. Doesn't look like much. Never mind.
That is what is known as awesome. Attack all non-drag.
That was fun with sound effects, featuring the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.